Hey everybody, today's video is a Scotty. This is a 10-foot camper, and this is Richard, and he's going to tell us about it. And what is the year of this?
This is the 1978.
1978, and what model is it?
It's the Sportsman Gaucho.
Okay, so he's going to tell us all about this. He worked on it for a long time. And tell me, what condition was it in when you got it?
When we bought it, it was a shambles. Everything was rotted away. All the parts were here, but everything was completely rotted. And we started from the bare chassis up and rebuilt everything. The walls are framed out in 1x1 wood with 1-inch thick insulation with 1/8-inch thick plywood on both sides. So it's a sandwich wall like a contemporary house.
My camper is a 1/4 inch thick.
Yeah, it's
so yours is a lot more insulated than mine. Yeah. And this is the handle he did, the grab handle to get in.
Yeah, we have an assist there to get in. We decided to rebuild it for our taste rather than restore it. So we have a full-size bed, a refrigerator, microwave. We do not have air conditioning, and we have portable heating. We have a sink with electric pump and electric water heater. Gray water and clean water tanks under the bed, and it has all LED lights and LED fan, or electric battery fan. Then we have AC that we can plug in for the accessories. The woodwork is all tiger maple, and it's built to be light. The entire camper was built out of in a construction way that was with weight in mind. So we try to keep the weight down.
And the weight you said is about...
It's about 1,400 pounds.
1,400, okay.
And it tows real well. It tracks well. We kept the original springs and axle and that kind of thing to make it ride like it normally did. It tows real well, and it's just a delight to camp in.
All right, thank you, Richard.
Thank you. Enjoy the trip.
And these chairs swivel.
Yeah,
so
the
I'm
chairs
sitting
swivel.
in the chair now, and see, I can swivel. So that's pretty neat.
Yep.
All right, so we're going to show around the outside. Thank you, guys.
All right. Oh, and one more thing that's interesting. We have a pull-out outdoor kitchen.
Okay, look at that.
This is an unusual feature. And, so, not at all standard or stock, but something we enjoy using.
Way usable, yes.
Yeah, so what's on the other side there under the board?
This is it's
storage.
Chopping board, knives and forks, and
Okay,
food prep.
so that's storage, and down here you got a little tiny propane.
Yeah, we do, and we
more
keep our
storage
firewood
under
under here, and our awning and jacks and things like that.
Great storage area.
Yep.
All right.
And on the other side of the camper, we have our water tanks that are accessible through this exact same kind of door.
Okay. Do you want to show me that?
Yeah.
Oh, and that's how you keep it up. Okay.
I didn't know.
So we're going to walk around here.
Here are 2 water tanks.
Oh, they're good size.
Yeah, they are. 17 gallons.
Each.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Probably overkill. We don't use that much water.
Yeah, but it's there. Better to have it if you need it. All right. There you go. All right. Thanks, everybody. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe. And I will see you on the next video. There will be many more vintage campers to come. Bye.